With a small body, a black head and bill, covered in furrowed brown and white feathers, and webbed feet, this animal is scientifically called Branta sanfilzensi, or in its common name, the Hawaiian goose, or nene. It is the state bird of Hawaii. This creature has the face and body of a mixture similar to a duck and a goose. With its abundance in feathers and heavily padded feet, it is able to fly and is able to walk on areas with very high heat, such as surfaces with lava on it, which is where you can find them most, or in low elevation grasslands where they feed on the grass and fruits. Nene are animals that mate for life, where the female lays 2 to 5 eggs per nest and sits on these eggs for 30 days, while the male nene protects. There was an abundance of these birds over each island before people settled in Hawaii, but once colonized, these species almost practically went extinct, with less than 50 Hawaiian geese remaining. This is due to habitat loss, predation by larger animals that feed on them, and hunting. Egg collecting and poor hatching rates also leads to less nene surviving. Additionally, lack of food sources has also affected the decrease in nene. But since the ESA, U.S. Endangered Species Act of 1967, was established, these animals have been bred in captivity and have successfully gone from the list of endangered species to the list of threatened species, and can now be found on the main islands of Hawaii, such as the island of Hawaii, Kauai, Maui, Molokai, and on Oahu. A current conservation plan they have proposed is to increase the population of these species by dedicating acres of land to reintroduce them to the wild, and providing them food when low on these sources. Over the years, they also slowly increase this land, which in turn makes the species more self-sustaining. Changes that have been made to save this species, such as implementing gates on properties that are near the lands dedicated to nene, so no predators like dogs, cats, and mongoose can eat them. They have also made road improvements so that it does not invade these lands, and have added signs for nene crossing to prevent potential deaths by being run over. They have also created a hunting ban to prevent the killing of nene, and in turn informs the public of where they can and can't be, so they do not invade these lands. Lastly, there have been donations towards the wildlife organizations and petitions to preserve these animals. These gentle animals need to be rescued and saved. Thank you.